Kettlebell training offers a dynamic approach to fitness, blending endurance and power for comprehensive results. But what exactly do we mean by endurance and power? Endurance is the ability to sustain physical activity over an extended period, while power is the capability to exert maximum force in minimal time. How do these elements contribute to overall fitness? And how can kettlebells help us achieve both? In this article, we'll explore the symbiotic relationship between endurance and power, delving into effective kettlebell workouts designed to enhance both aspects of fitness, ultimately leading to a stronger, more resilient body. Make sure to stay until the end to find out all the best information, and remember, at Beyond Living, we provide the best information and actionable and functional guides for all facets of healthy living, vitality, and fitness. Also, check out the awesome products that are running exclusive, limited time deals just for our viewers here at Beyond Living in the description and in the top pinned comments that we recommend for all our viewers for vitality, healthy living, and fitness. Like, comment, and subscribe as it greatly helps the channel. Let's talk understanding endurance and power. Endurance and power are like the dynamic duo of fitness, each playing a vital role in our physical capabilities. Endurance is what keeps us going during long hikes, intense cardio sessions, or even just a busy day of errands. It's the fuel that allows us to persist through challenges without giving up. On the other hand, power is our ability to unleash bursts of energy, whether it's sprinting to catch a bus or lifting heavy objects with ease. Together, they form the foundation of our fitness prowess. Think of endurance as your body's marathon runner, while power is your body's sprinter. Endurance training builds stamina and resilience, enabling you to sustain prolonged activity without fatigue. It strengthens your heart, lungs, and muscles, allowing you to go the distance, whether it's running a 10K race or simply keeping up with your kids at the park. Power, on the other hand, is your body's superhero mode. It's about explosive strength and speed, the ability to generate force in a split second. Power training enhances your ability to perform quick, explosive movements, like jumping, throwing, or sprinting. It's what gives you that extra oomph to lift heavy weights, accelerate rapidly, or react swiftly to unexpected situations. But why do we need both endurance and power? Well, imagine being able to run a marathon but lacking the strength to sprint across the finish line in a burst of glory. Or being able to lift heavy weights but running out of steam after a few repetitions. By training for both endurance and power, we create a well-rounded fitness foundation that supports us in all aspects of life, from everyday activities to athletic pursuits. Let's discuss basics of kettlebell training. Welcome to the world of kettlebell training, where strength meets versatility in a compact, cannonball-shaped package. Kettlebells have a long history, originating in Russia centuries ago as a tool for weighing crops. Today, they're a staple in fitness routines worldwide, loved for their ability to deliver effective full-body workouts in minimal time. So, what exactly are kettlebells? Picture a cast-iron ball with a handle attached, allowing for a wide range of dynamic movements. From swings and snatches to cleans and presses, the possibilities are endless. But before diving into kettlebell workouts, it's essential to grasp the basics of technique and safety. Proper form is key to preventing injuries and maximizing results. Start with a light kettlebell to master the movements before gradually increasing the weight. One of the fundamental kettlebell exercises is the kettlebell swing, which targets the hips, glutes, and core. Begin by gripping the handle with both hands, feet shoulder width apart, and hinge at the hips to swing the kettlebell between your legs. Then, drive your hips forward explosively to swing the kettlebell up to chest level, keeping your arms straight and core engaged. Other essential kettlebell movements include the goblet squat, Turkish get-up, and overhead press. Each exercise targets multiple muscle groups, providing a full-body workout that improves strength, endurance, and coordination. Remember to listen to your body and take breaks as needed. With consistency and dedication, kettlebell training can transform your fitness journey, enhancing endurance, power, and overall athleticism. Let's dive into endurance training with kettlebells. Get ready to push your limits and build stamina with endurance-focused kettlebell training. Whether you're aiming to conquer a long hike or power through a high-intensity workout, these exercises will elevate your endurance game. 1. High-rep kettlebell exercises. Embrace the burn with high-repetition kettlebell exercises like kettlebell swings, snatches, and cleans. Aim for sets of 15-20 repetitions, focusing on maintaining proper form throughout each movement. These exercises challenge your cardiovascular system while also building muscular endurance, making them ideal for boosting overall stamina. 2. Circuit training. Take your endurance training to the next level with kettlebell circuit workouts. Create a circuit of different kettlebell exercises, such as swings, squats, lunges, and rows, performing each exercise back-to-back with minimal rest between sets. Circuit training keeps your heart rate elevated, effectively improving cardiovascular endurance while also targeting various muscle groups for a full body burn. 3. Interval training. Elevate your heart rate and boost endurance with kettlebell interval training. Alternate between periods of high-intensity kettlebell exercises and brief rest intervals. For example, perform kettlebell swings as fast as possible for 30 seconds, followed by 15 seconds of rest, and repeat for several rounds. Interval training improves both aerobic and anaerobic endurance, enhancing your ability to sustain intense physical activity for longer durations. By incorporating these endurance-focused kettlebell workouts into your fitness routine, you'll not only increase your stamina and resilience but also enjoy the exhilarating challenge of pushing your limits to new heights. Now let's talk power training with kettlebells. Prepare to unleash explosive strength and speed with power-focused kettlebell training. Power exercises with kettlebells are designed to enhance your ability to generate force quickly, making you more agile, reactive, and powerful in every movement. 1. Explosive movements. Dive into power training with explosive kettlebell movements like kettlebell swings, cleans, and snatches. These exercises require rapid acceleration and deceleration of the kettlebell, engaging fast-twitch muscle fibers to generate maximum power. Focus on explosiveness and control throughout each repetition to maximize power output and efficiency. 2. Plyometric exercises. Take your power training to new heights with kettlebell plyometric exercises. Incorporate movements like kettlebell jumps, jump squats, and kettlebell slams to add an extra dimension of intensity to your workouts. Plyometric exercises train your muscles to produce powerful contractions in minimal time, improving your ability to generate explosive force and react quickly to external stimuli. 3. Complex movements. Challenge your coordination and strength with complex kettlebell movements that combine multiple exercises into fluid sequences. Examples include the kettlebell clean and press, kettlebell snatch, and Turkish get-up. These compound movements not only build power but also enhance overall athleticism by integrating strength, stability, and mobility in dynamic patterns. By incorporating power-focused kettlebell exercises into your training regimen, you'll unlock new levels of strength, speed, and agility. Whether you're an athlete looking to improve performance or a fitness enthusiast seeking a thrilling challenge, power training with kettlebells offers a dynamic and effective way to elevate your physical capabilities. Here are some sample kettlebell workouts. Let's put theory into practice with sample kettlebell workouts designed to boost both endurance and power. These routines offer a mix of high-intensity exercises to challenge your body and elevate your fitness game. A endurance-focused kettlebell workout routine. Warm-up, 5-10 minutes of dynamic stretches and mobility exercises. Circuit. 1. Kettlebell swings, 3 sets of 15-20 reps. 2. Goblet squats, 3 sets of 12-15 reps. 3. Kettlebell lunges, 3 sets of 10-12 reps per leg. 4. Kettlebell rows, 3 sets of 12-15 reps per arm. Cool down, 5-10 minutes of static stretching focusing on major muscle groups. B. Power-focused kettlebell workout routine. Warm-up, 5-10 minutes of dynamic movements to activate muscles and increase heart rate. Circuit. 1. Kettlebell snatches, 4 sets of 8-10 reps per arm. 2. Kettlebell jump squats, 4 sets of 10-12 reps. 3. Kettlebell cleans, 4 sets of 8-10 reps per arm. 4. Kettlebell plyo push-ups, 4 sets of 8-10 reps. Cool down, 5-10 minutes of foam rolling and light stretching to aid recovery. C. Hybrid endurance and power kettlebell workout. Warm-up, 5-10 minutes of dynamic stretches and mobility drills. Circuit. 1. Kettlebell swings, 3 sets of 15 reps, endurance. 2. Kettlebell snatches, 3 sets of 8 reps per arm, power. 3. Kettlebell goblet squats, 3 sets of 12 reps, endurance. 4. Kettlebell cleans and presses, 3 sets of 8 reps per arm, power. Cool down, 5-10 minutes of static stretching focusing on muscles work during the workout. These sample workouts offer a taste of the diverse range of kettlebell exercises you can incorporate into your training routine. Feel free to adjust the sets, reps, and weights according to your fitness level and goals. Get ready to sweat, challenge yourself, and reap the rewards of kettlebell training. Tips for maximizing results. To make the most of your kettlebell workouts and achieve your fitness goals, here are some valuable tips to keep in mind. 1. Prioritize proper form. Focus on maintaining correct form throughout each exercise to prevent injuries and target the intended muscles effectively. Start with lighter weights if needed and gradually increase as your technique improves. 2. Progression and variation. Continuously challenge your body by progressively increasing the intensity, volume, or complexity of your kettlebell workouts. Incorporate different exercises, variations, and combinations to keep your workouts fresh and stimulating. 3. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body feels during workouts and adjust accordingly. If something doesn't feel right or causes discomfort, modify the exercise or take a break to avoid overtraining or injury. 4. Recovery and rest. Allow your body ample time to recover between kettlebell sessions to optimize muscle repair and growth. Incorporate rest days into your weekly routine and prioritize sleep, hydration, and nutrition to support overall recovery and performance. 5. Consistency is key. Consistency is the cornerstone of progress. Aim for regular, consistent kettlebell workouts to see significant improvements in endurance, power, and overall fitness over time. By following these tips and staying committed to your kettlebell training, you'll unlock your full potential, transform your physique, and enjoy the countless benefits of this versatile and effective form of exercise. So grab your kettlebell and get ready to embark on a journey to a stronger, fitter you. Kettlebell training offers a dynamic path to enhanced endurance and power, vital components of overall fitness. By incorporating endurance and power-focused workouts into your routine, you'll build strength, stamina, and agility like never before. So, whether you're aiming to conquer new fitness challenges or simply elevate your everyday performance, kettlebell training is the way to go. Take the plunge, grab a kettlebell, and embark on a journey to a stronger, more resilient you. Your body will thank you for it.